Hey, what's going on? It's Michelangelo, and I'm back. You probably remember me from AVP LLC. Well, now I'm here representing the V.A.W, the V.A.W Company LLC. The V.A.W stands for Vehicle Attached Wallet. I just wanted to tell you a little story about how this all came about. One night while we were laying in bed watching TV, a news broadcast came on and showed an officer pulling an individual over in his car. The officer approached the vehicle and he asked the driver for his information, his driver's license and his insurance card. And the driver said, "No problem, officer. But I must let you know that I do have a CCW permit and I do have a firearm." And the officer responded, "Hey, no problem. Just don't reach for it. I still need to see your information." So while the individual had to reach into his back pocket on the right hand side to get out his driver's license, his CCW permit, and his insurance card, the officer pulled his vehicle and shot him 8 times. Apparently, the officer thought he was fearing for his life, and all the individual was doing was reaching for his wallet. And I told my wife at that time, if he had just kept his hands in plain view, where the officers could see his hands at all times, he would probably still be alive today. I said, we need to invent something or come up with something where people can feel safe when law enforcement approaches the vehicle. And law enforcement can feel safe as well. Because they have a very hard job to do. One I would not like to have myself. But, like I said, they have a job to do as well. So we came up with this ideal of a vehicle attached wallet where an individual can have all their information in one location in plain view that's convenient and easy access. So when law enforcement approaches your vehicle, you can keep your hands on the steering wheel at 10 and 2, reach to the left in plain view, and there's the V.A.W waiting for you. So we wanted to help and become part of the solution to a growing problem. And we need your help. So if you have a minute, please take the time to check out our website at vehicleattachedwallet.com for more details on the product itself. And this is something that we wanted to get out here because safety matters and everyone goes home safe. So if you like this video, push like and share with all your friends and your family. It just might save your life. Vehicleattachedwallet.com, the V.A.W.